Hello students, how are you all? I hope all are you good. Today our topic is linear equations in one variables. Discussion on 2.2 exercise. Question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6. Let us see. Question number 4. Sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. Find the numbers. This is a question. Okay, what to do? We should require two numbers. Let the two consecutive odd numbers are 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 3. We know definition of odd number is 2x plus 1. Definition of odd number is 2x plus 1. We require two numbers. Then there are 2x plus 1 and 2x plus. Now according to problem, sum of two odd numbers is 56. So 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 56. 2x plus 2x 4x and 1 plus 3 4. Now 4x plus 4 is equal to 56. 4 plus 4 transposing to RHS, then 4x is equal to 56 minus 4. Now 4x is equal to 52. Now send 4 to RHS, then x is equal to 52 by 4. Here 4 transposing to RHS, then x is equal to 13. The required numbers, first number is 2x plus 1. We should substitute x is equal to 13. Then 2 into 13 plus 1. 2 into 13 is equal to 26. 26 plus 1, 27. Again 2x plus 3, second number. 2 into 13 plus 3, that is equal to 26 plus 3. That is equal to 29. The required two consecutive numbers or numbers are 27 and 29. Okay, this is the answer. Question number 5. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 7 is 777. Point these multiples. Okay, int is, let first multiple is 7, second one x plus 7, third one x plus 14. Why? Because we know 7 table, first multiple 7 1 ja 7, second multiple 7 2 ja 14. First multiple 7 is if 7 is x, then next multiple x plus 7, that is equal to 14. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ మల్టిపుల్ని ఎక్స్గా తీసుకుంటే దానికి 7 యాడ్ చేసుకుంటూ రావాలి. 7 యాడ్ చేసుకుంటే సెకండ్ది ఏమవుతుంది, ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 7 అవుతుంది. మళ్ళీ దానికి 7 యాడ్ చేస్తే థర్డ్ది ఏమవుతుంది, ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 7 దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 14. లెట్ ది త్రీ కాన్సెక్యూటివ్ మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ 7 బి ఎక్స్, ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 7 and x plus 14. By the problem, the sum of three consecutive multiples of 7 is 777 is given. Okay, sum of three multiples of 7 is equal to 777 is given. Now first x plus 7 plus x plus 14 is equal to 777. Let remove the bracket, simplifying. X plus 7 plus x plus 14 is equal to 777, where x's are 3x plus 21 is equal to 777. Now 21 transposing to right side, then 3x is equal to 777 minus 21. Next, 3x is equal to how much? 756. Now what we do? We can do 3 transposing to RHS. Then x is equal to 756 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 5 ja, 3 2 ja. Now x is equal to 252. Okay, x value 252. This is first multiple of 7. Next multiple, x plus 7, x is equal to 257 plus 7, that is equal to 259. Third one is x plus 14. We substitute x value, x is equal to 252 plus 14, that is equal to 266. The required 3 consecutive multiples of 7 or 252, 259, 266. This is next question number 6. A man walks 10 km, then travels a certain distance by train and then by bus as far as twice by the train. The whole journey is of 70 km. How far did they travel by train? Okay. Here solution is a man travel total distance is equal to 70 kilometers. It is covered by 3 types. First, by walking. Second, train. Third, by bus. But the condition is travel by bus is equal to twice of train. అంటే ఇక్కడ ప్రయాణం మొత్తం 70 కిలోమీటర్స్ సాగింది. అది 3 రకాలుగా సాగింది. ఒకటి వాకింగ్, సెకండ్ బై ట్రైన్, థర్డ్ బై బస్. బట్ కండిషన్ ఏమిటి అంటే బస్లో ప్రయాణం ట్రైన్ కన్నా డబుల్. నౌ ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ x కిలోమీటర్స్ బై ట్రైన్, ట్రైన్లో x కిలోమీటర్లు పోతే బస్సులో దానికి డబల్ అంటే 2x అన్నట్టు. అది కండిషన్. నౌ లెట్ us సాల్వ్ ద ప్రాబ్లం. Solution: the distance travelled by walk is equal to 10 kilometers. Let the distance travelled by train, let x kilometers. The distance travelled by bus is equal to twice to train is given. ట్రైన్లో ఎక్స్ కిలోమీటర్లు ప్రయాణం చేస్తే బస్సులో ట్వైస్ టు ట్రైన్, దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2x. Total distance travelled by man is equal to 70 kilometers. Such distance travelled by walk, by train, by bus. So by walk plus by train plus by bus is equal to 70 kilometers. By walk means 10 kilometers. By train means x kilometers. By bus means 2x. Now 10 plus x plus 2x is equal to 70 kilometers. Next step, 10 plus 3x is equal to 70. Then 10 transposing to RHS, we get 3x is equal to 70 minus 10, that is equal to 3x is equal to 60. Now 3 transpose to RHS, 3ని RHSకు ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేయాలి. Then we get x is equal to 60 by 3, that is equal to 20. X is equal to 20. Distance travelled by train is equal to 20 kilometers. This is the solution. Question number 7. Vinay bought a pizza and cut into 3 pieces. When he weighed the first piece, he found that it was 7 gram lighter than the second piece and 4 gram weightier than the third piece. If the whole pizza weighed 300 gram, how much did each of the 3 pieces weigh? Okay, your total weight is equal to 300 grams. It cut into 3 pieces. Now find the weight of 3 pieces. Okay, total weight of pizza is equal to 300 grams given. If it cut into 3 pieces, okay, cut into 3 pieces. Take weight of first piece is equal to x grams. We don't know first piece weight, so we let x grams. By the problem, the second piece more than 7 grams weight of first piece కన్నా 7 grams ఎక్కువ ఉంది. Then weight of second piece is equal to x plus 7 grams. According to problem, third piece less than 4 grams of first piece కన్నా 4 గ్రాములు తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. Then weight of third piece is equal to x minus 4 grams. Total weight of 3 pieces is equal to 300 grams. Okay, then x plus 7 plus x minus 4 is equal to 300. Then 3x plus 3 is equal to 300. Then 3 transpose to RHS. We get 3x is equal to 300 minus 3. 3x is equal to 297 grams. Then x transpose to RHS. Then x is equal to 297 by 3. X is equal to 99. 3 1 ja, 3 9 ja, 3 9 ja. Then x is equal 99. The weight of first piece is equal to 99 grams. Weight of second piece is equal to x plus 7. Substitute x value is 99. 99 plus 7 is equal to 106 grams. Weight of third piece is equal to x minus 4. X is equal to 99 minus 4 is equal to 95 grams. Weight of three pieces are 99 grams, 106 grams, 95 grams. This is the solution of given problem. Question number 9. The distance around is rectangular field is 400 meters. The length of the field is 26 meters more than the breadth. Calculate the length and breadth of the field. Once again, to understand, the distance around the rectangular field is 400 meters. That means the perimeter of rectangular field is 400 meters. We know perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 of L plus B, where L is equal length, B is equal to breadth. But here, the length of the field is 26 meters more than breadth. That means, let the breadth of rectangular field is x meters. According to problem, length breadth plus 26 meters, because length అనేది breadth కన్నా 26 meters ఎక్కువ అని ప్రాబ్లంలో ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. The given is length more than 26 meters to breadth. Then length is equal to x plus 26 meters. Perimeter of rectangular field is 400 meters. Is it clear? Perimeter of rectangular is equal to log 2 of L plus B is equal to 400. Substitute the L value x plus 26, B value x is equal to 400. That means 2 of x plus x, 2x plus 26 is equal to 400. Now 2 transpose to RHS. 2 transpose to transposing to RHS. Okay, 2 transposing to RHS. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Now 2x plus 26 is equal to 200. Again 26 transpose to LHS. This became minus 26. Transposing 26 to RHS. It becomes minus 26. Now 2x is equal to 174. Again 2 transpose to transposing 2 to RHS. Then x is equal to 174 by 2. X is equal to 77 meters. X means breadth. Now breadth is equal to 77 meters. Length is equal to x plus 26, where x is equal to 77. Now 26, that is equal to 103 meters. Now L length is equal to 103 meters. Breadth B is equal to 77 meters. This is the solution. The length of rectangular field is 8 meters less than twice its breadth if the perimeter of the rectangular field is 56 meters. Find its length and breadth. Okay, we know perimeter means 2 of L plus B. L is length, B is breadth. But in this problem, the condition is length 8 meters less than twice its breadth. That means if you take breadth is x, then length becomes 2x minus 8. అంటే లెంత్ అనేది బ్రెడ్త్ డబుల్ చేస్తే 8 తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. 8 meters less than twice of breadth. బ్రెడ్త్ యొక్క డబుల్కి 8 meters తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం బ్రెడ్త్ని x అనుకుంటే లెంత్ 2x minus 8 అవుతుంది. సో సొల్యూషన్ ఈజ్ let the breadth of rectangle field is x meters, then according to problem length is equal to x minus 8. Okay, this is the condition. The perimeter of field is equal to 56. We know perimeter 2 of length plus breadth is equal to 56. Substitute L and B values. L means before the substitution L plus B, 2 transpose into RHS. 2 transpose into RHS. Here 2 is in product. When transposed to right side, it becomes division. ఇక్కడ మల్టిప్లికేషన్లో ఉంది, ఇటు సైడ్ వస్తే డివిజన్ అవుతుంది. దెన్ L plus B is equal to 56 by 2. L plus B is equal to 28. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 8 ja. B is equal to 28. Now substituting the L value and B value. L is equal to 2x minus 8. B is equal to x is equal to 28. Now 2x plus 1 x, that becomes 3x minus 8 is equal to 28. Now minus 8 transposing to RHS, it becomes plus 8. 3x is equal to 28 plus 8 minus 8 transposing to RHS, then it becomes plus 8. 3x is equal to 36. Now 3 transposing to RHS, x is equal to 36 by 3. That means 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 1 ja. Now x is equal to 12 meters. X means breadth. The length is equal to 2x minus 8. Substitute the x value. 2 into x value is 12. 2 into 12 minus 8. 24 minus 8, that is equal to 16 meters. Length is 16 meters, breadth is 12 meters. This is the problem number 10, page number 43. Two equal sides of triangle are each 5 meters less than twice the third side. If the perimeter of the triangle 55 meters, find the length on its sides. This is the question number 10. Now we read the carefully given problem. The condition is two sides are equal. The both sides 5 meter less than twice of third side. ఈ రెండు సైడ్లు ఈక్వల్గా ఉన్నాయి. థర్డ్ సైడ్ యొక్క ట్వైస్ అంటే డబుల్ చేస్తే 5 తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం థర్డ్ సైడ్ తీసుకున్నట్టయితే థర్డ్ సైడ్ యొక్క -5 అంటే if we let length of third side is x meters, then the length of remaining two sides is equal to 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5. This is also 2x minus 5. Both are equal sides. 2x minus 5, 2x minus 5. Now perimeter Perimeter of triangle is equal to 55 meters. We know perimeter means sum of lengths of three sides. మూడు సైడ్ల యొక్క లెంత్ సమ్ చేస్తే వచ్చేది పెరిమీటర్. In this problem, two sides are equal length. Third side is x. So 2x minus 5 plus 2x minus 5 plus x, where 2x minus 5 plus x, 2x, 4x plus x, 5x, minus 5, both are same side. So minus 10 is equal to 55. Now 5x is equal to 55 plus 10. Transposing 10 to RHS. Minus 10 becomes plus 10. Then 5x is equal to 65. Again, x is equal to 65 by 5. 5 transpose to RHS. Transposing 5 to RHS. Then x is equal to 13. 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja. 13. X is equal to 13 meters. That means third side is 13 meters. Two equal sides. Length of two equal sides. Two equal sides is equal to 2x minus 5. Each one length is 2x minus 5. 2 into 13 minus 5. That is equal to 26 minus 5 is equal to 21 meters. Length of two equal sides, each one 21 meters. Lengths of sides of triangle. The length of sides of triangle thirteen meters and 21 meters and 21 meters.